Hello there. In another video tutorial about the request a quote add-on, we addressed that there may be some fields you may want to add when you want the customer to request a quote. By default, after the customer has selected their various option or their desired option, the request a quote only has these fields by default. So for some reason, you may want to add or sort of like just modify uh, the information you are looking to get from here. And the best way to do that would be to get the form builder add-on. So again, after purchasing the plugin or the add-on, I beg your pardon, and signing into your account with this icon from our website, you could totally navigate down to the downloads tab here and download the form builder add-on here. So once you do that, you could come on the website and on your website and try to install and then of course activate the add-on. So upload plugin, I already have that set up here on my test site. So you want to choose the file, install, then activate. And another important step right after doing that would be to come to the plugin settings. That's our configurator menu here, settings, and you want to click on this form builder add-on tab here and then input the license key from the email we sent to you right after you purchased the add-on, and then you want to click on save. Very importantly, this allows you to totally activate your license, and it would make the add-on start working. So from this point, you could totally go to form builder, and in here you could add a new form. Let's call that test form. We could add a new field. Let's say name. If you could choose whether the field is required or not. Length, you could determine how much price if they use the field, or you could totally just leave all that blank to leave that random. You could select gender, for instance, call this maybe like a radio button, manage options. I'm just going to walk through the process quickly. Add option, here you could say male, here you could say female. If you'd like to select one of the options, by default you can totally use this. You could say rather not say here. Next you could say email address, click on email address. Maybe also add shipping address or required. You could even add say privacy policy, checklists, checkbox, manage option, add option, agree to the terms, and you could totally save that, publish. So coming to the configurator settings, to the configuration here. Here's our bicycle demo again. And it's very important that you don't confuse this form display here. This displays within the configuration options, while this displays when the customer hits the request a quote button. So you want to choose test form and then update. Let's see how that manifests on our test site. I'm just going to refresh. And clicking this, it does work. Thank you for